Nature is made up of living and non-living components. Thermal power plants in industries are releasing the pollutants like fly ash, sulfur dioxide, radioactive substances causing the air, water, and land pollution. Vehicles' exhaust gases emitted by motor vehicles pollute air by producing the harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, unburned hydrocarbons, lead compounds, and soot. Natural activities like forest fires release carbon particles like ash into the air and pollute the air. Volcanic eruptions also releases various gases and ash into the atmosphere. The problem of nuclear power plant is radioactive waste. The radioactive waste possess radioactivity for at least 1 million years. The other problem is meltdown. The meltdown is provoked by too much heat in the power plant. During a meltdown, the power plant makes more radioactive pollution. The people living near the granite factory have faced several health problems. People are suffering from lung cancer and skin allergies due to the pollution. Thermal power plants pollute air by emitting sulfur dioxide, radioactive substances, and fly ash. Airborne pollutants make it tough to breathe and can even cause diseases like cancer. Its negative health impact, air pollution is known to cause injuries to animals, forest, vegetation, and aquatic ecosystem. Air pollution continues to evoke a great deal of interest worldwide due to its negative impacts on human health and welfare. It causes certain diseases including shortness of breath, sore throat, chest pain, nausea, asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer. Extreme effects of air pollution include high blood pressure and cardiovascular problems. It causes suffocation and may cause even death. The effects of water pollution are waterborne diseases like typhoid, cholera, jaundice, dysentery, and diarrhea. Pharmaceuticals and personal care products including medications, lotions and soap are being found in increasing concentrations in lakes and rivers, causing water pollution. Substances like fluorine mixed in groundwater cause dangerous diseases like fluorosis. With these resources, human life will become an unsolvable puzzle.